Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 11th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, we're going straight into your reading. Let's go ahead, Pisces. Let's go. So let's see, who did you incarnate as in this lifetime, Pisces? We got the Ace of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting easy that you're an artist, you're an athlete. I'm getting fashion, maybe in fashion and styling. You used to be a stylist, or you are a stylist. Whatever you do, you're the person who they go to start the creative business. So, okay, Pisces, I'm going to a movie premiere. Pisces would pick out the outfit. Pisces, I need a car to drop me somewhere. Pisces, choose the car. I'm getting whatever you do for work, people rely on your creative brain to make them look good. Okay? What is your spiritual gift? The High Priestess. Yeah, so maybe, yeah. So you're a High Priestess. I'm getting people come to, anytime people think about an idea, them say, let me run it by the High Priestess first. Pisces, this is your energy. So I'm getting them run it by you first to see if it's a good idea. Now be careful, because I notice a lot of people, them will ask you your opinion on something, and then when you tell them your opinion, them choose the opposite, just so they can rub it in your face. No, I would never have a personal relation to anybody else making a decision whether they ask me for my opinion or not, because that now have nothing to do with me. I don't know what is in their head. But also, I'm just telling you, to be careful, for don't waste your time on people who just, they want to talk to you, for ask you what you think, and then choose the other decision, basically. And I don't know if somebody do this because they're jealous of you. I don't know if they might do it because they might try to throw you off. Because everybody goes to the High Priestess for ask the High Priestess questions. So now you go to the High Priestess, you ask her a question, she tell you what to do, you do the opposite. But then, so why you... Maybe I like to waste money, but why, what was the sense? You wanted to show the High Priestess, hey, you're a High Priestess even though you're a High Priestess and everybody listen to you. I'm not going to listen to you. You want attention that your man obviously is not giving you. Anyways, let's continue the reading. So that is your strength. No, your spiritual gifts. So I'm getting your High Priestess. You're the one who give everybody your opinion on anything new that they're about to do. What is your weakness? Your weakness is the Five of Swords. Yeah, a lot of people are going to jealous of you. They're going to hate you. They're going to attack you. They're going to ask you something and then attack you when you tell them what to do. They're going to tell you, no, that's not right. No, I did it before. No, my sister, auntie, nephew, uncle, chiropractitioner's vet did it and it didn't work. You're getting somebody that try to throw you off. You're the High Priestess. Unfortunately, while they chose to be a Christian, Jesus chose you to know what the fuck is up. So I'm getting you're going to get attacked. People are going to come up to you and just ask your opinion on stuff. And then choose choose what you tell them not to choose. Because they want to rub it in your face. For sure that even though you're a High Priestess, we're not going to listen to you. Your man not listen to you either. That's why I'm fucking on you on Kijiji. See, enough time when I read for people, I can't see why them in the problem them in. I said that's why your man a fuck on you. Because look how you even, the way how you even approach me for asking for your reading, look how it is. Look how you demean. Why do you act like that? Like what? Don't you see how you act? That's why nobody don't want to be around you, right? It's all about making you feel like your intuition is off. It's all about you not trusting your judgment. Or people ask your opinion and then them totally choose something different to throw you off. Okay, so why you waste your time though? Was all that you think all that time, all that thing was worth me saying, oh my God, they didn't listen to me. Where did I go wrong? You want attention. I'm so sorry you met that man fuck you and breed you and you still don't get attention from him. I'm so sorry you did that. Anyway, let's continue the reading. What's the strength? That's your weakness? Your weakness is people are gonna hate you because you are this chosen, selected Empress, High Priestess. What is your weakness is the fighting around you. It could be white people too. I'm getting a lot of white people. So the ones is black. High Priestess can be what it's Pisces. But I'm getting a lot of white people attack you. So I'm getting the white people, them don't believe in they don't believe in a black High Priestess. They don't believe black people cannot have all the answers. They believe that if you're a High Priestess, you have to be white. Sweetie, who you think the white people in my teeth, the blood clot, fucking script from? They're stealing it from black people. Oh my God. So it could be that. You are black and you're a high priestess. So I'm getting a lot of white people attack you. Because there ain't supposed to be no black high priestess. We changed Jesus' image from black to white so that even if you could not possess the skills yourself, whenever you were praying to a savior, he would be white too. So how dare you come in as a black tarot reader? Anyways, it must be weird knowing that you had everything you ever wanted in life and your husband still chose to go outside to go and fuck the dirty outside on that plantation and leave you with your nice lotion and spritz body inside. I mean, I would carry envy for a very fucking long time after that shit. How are you using your gifts to help, High Priestess, Pisces? The Ace of Cups. I'm getting you're giving people guidance. People think about something, them ask you. And before they make a move on it, you tell them what to do. And they feel, okay, I have the right direction. Thank you, Pisces. So, again, them people here, I could cuss you, but I'm getting you are helping people. I'm getting you very relatable and people listen to you because they feel like you understand. You're not just read card, okay? How are you using your spiritual gifts to destroy? We are the 7 of Pentacles. Okay, so the destruction come from the same people who are giving you the weakness. Here's what I'm getting. I'm getting what you're doing for job is great. The problem is some white people are standing your way. I'm getting some white people are standing in your way, but it's all over jealousy. It's because I don't want to say this. It's very ignorant to say, but I'm going to tell you what I read. I'm reading the reason why you get attacked is because there's no other white tarot reader who's as brilliant as you. And I'll be very honest. You want to know why you get bullied, why you get harassed, why you get gang stalked? There's no other white tarot reader that's as smart, that's as capable, chakras open, have access to them Akashic records, can make predictions, can talk to the dead. Apparently there's no white tarot reader who can do that properly. So a lot of white people are going to stalk you, them are going to throw you off, them even might make another girl, white woman read tarot and make she literally steal verbatim things that you're saying. Because all of these are swords, they're ideas. And they're going like this because something is not being agreed upon. The High Priestess is not here for you to agree upon. You want agreement, go to the blood clot court. You want a sense of fucking belonging, go to the LGBTQAI fucking community. You want some alleviation from pressure, go to a fucking psychologist, okay? The High Priestess is not here to attend to your fucking feelings. Fuck you and your fucking feelings. Your feelings is responsible for the man or the woman who walk you down the aisle. She don't give a fuck about your feelings. You think they give a fuck about Jesus' feelings? No, the fuck she give a fuck about yours. She here for the truth. And the truth might not be what you want to hear, which is why you keep staying in that fucking unhealthy relationship. So you want her to appeal to your feelings. You want she to speak nicer. Speak to me more gentle. Speak to me more prideful. She don't need to. She's a high priestess. You want to get baby, go to your pastor. You want to get baby, go to the man who's fucking another woman. She don't need to baby you. She here for the truth. The truth is going to hurt. So does the fucking Bible when you read Revelations. It hurts too. You want her to attend to you. She must be accommodated. She have to be accommodated to your kind. She only can be accommodated to her kind, which is high priestesses. She don't need to give a fuck about you and your feelings, and because you're not saying it right. Oh, she said it so harsh. Oh, the way how she said it, she could have been a more professional. Babe, shut the fuck up. Your man's still fucking on you and you're staying. No, you're vexed with the high priestess because she ain't appealing to you. Why the fuck she need to appeal to you? Who the fuck is you? You're nobody. That's why you're coming to the high priestess, because you're a nobody. So I'm getting that's what's happening. Pisces, if y'all wonder why white people attack you, apparently there's no other white tarot reader who's know as much as you. That's why y'all get attacked. That's why they want you to change how you look on camera so you can appeal to white people. Because apparently being a black spokesperson, even though you are Black Lives Matter, right? Even though you're like that, they're like, oh, she's too black for us. We need somebody who can turn their back on their own kind quickly. We can't have this girl in office. This girl is too loyal to her girls. We need somebody who can turn their back on their own kind, and we can pay for them to, you know, say good luck, just join Kai Sunat streaming thing. Kai, they're whitewashing your show, sir. Your show is very whitewashed right now. The blackest thing you had on that show was fucking Kodak Black. Your show is very whitewashed now. I can see that you have... It's okay, Kai. It's okay. Because you still one of the top earners around. You still the hottest nigga around. But I also know that you might be in a sticky situation when it comes on to who is your handlers. And you know, this is weird. When Aidan Ross went to visit Kai, he was saying, oh, Kai, you kind of smell bad. Even Glorilla, when she visited Kai, she said Kai smell bad. So why would they make Kai take a shower with speed? Because apparently it was always said on the stream, saying don't take a shower. When they come into the house and see him, don't take a shower. But why are you making take a shower with speed on camera? Anyway, it's nuts. My fucking nuts. Okay, so what would I know? 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Right. So right. Great. Let's just continue. Let's see how you're using it to destroy. How are you using your gifts to destroy? The Page of Pentacles. I'm getting so maybe men don't want to patronize you. Because I'm getting, if you're a strong woman, I'm getting, so it's how you're using it to destroy. It's saying that you're destroying wealthy men. Maybe it's saying you're destroying your relationships to wealthy black men. This could also be man want to destroy your shit. Because apparently there's no other male tarot reader that is enlightened also. As you are. Because it's one thing to be, you can be enlightened, but you're not relatable. You can be enlightened, relatable, but you don't know how to communicate it. You can be likable, relatable, you know how to communicate it, but you don't have stage presence. It takes a package to make something work. And I'm getting somebody's only the tape. Boring. Okay, what's your outcome? Your outcome is the Fool card. Yeah, leave it alone. I'm getting them why you choose a side. Choose a side. Choose a sex. Choose a demographic. Choose a race. Why your mother choose that man for car and make you come out that way? So I'm getting that's what's it. I'm getting you're exclusive. You are you're the last of your kind. I'm getting you're a dying species and you're a dying breed. And apparently there's a lot of either white men, white women, or a lot of the swords are white people. They're Caucasian. Apparently the whole of them are stalk you because they need you to change the way how you read. Because they want you to appeal to them. Or they want you to be a puppet, a ventriloquist. They want you to be easily manipulated. Them can't manipulate you. Them can't make you cuss and say, oh, you hate niggas so much. Them can't make you turn your back on your own kind. Plus you know every fucking thing. So I'm getting they're mad. Because apparently they want it to turn, they want to turn you white. Maybe if it, but I'm getting them now watch other tarot readers that are white. They might watch you, hoping and praying of the day you will be white. Okay, they want you to give a fuck about it. Read this way. Can you be much gentle? Can you? Bitch, shut the fuck up. You want somebody to care about your feelings? Go to the altar. Oh, that's right. You can't get no man for Mario. 11 years with that man and him still don't marry. Him still never put a ring on your blood clot finger. Okay, great. So, and you're upset with the high priestess because she's not talking gently about the man who been fucking on you and you won't leave him. You want people baby, you want to be babied. Just like how you baby the man. That's why the man left you with those babies. Hidden prisons. This could also be your reading for prisoners, Mean Girls, yeah, the Ugly Bitches comedy, Shark. We have the Tower card, we have Forbidden Fruit, and we have one more, the World card, okay? All right, Pisces, so I'm going to leave it here, okay? And if you're upset because people are telling you that you need to change the way how you speak, tell her so she should have changed her man a long time ago and she did not. I know she wastes her blood clot life. But she upset with you. She never upset with the man for what I'm doing. She's still talking to the man, but she upset with you. Because apparently you're not communicating submissively. You're not communicating gently. You have to be soft and be bitch, softness is what got you in the fucking position you're in. Great. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.